Commissioner and Secretary in charge ketenat bording Sanjay Goyal ulapun bena basyan ansat sedang bante yang substation 132 kV ban pentikna yang jimpun poi boarding kabala bansyanya Ri Bhoi district. Goyal ulayat hu hakinong thok ko bor hak arp kandai trik nailar baka jing ka baka district kaya kendu kamde ka jing tuna boarding Henry kadai ka jing hak ka jing syanya nama ka jing jingai ka line transmission kabala kenjo sya 10 kilometer na yam syenong po. Ulapun pauru ya kajing sngongu ya menteri rangba ka jela ba katanat bagi sngotu ya kajing don kam ban menjur ya ka nika project. Ngila ai kajing menjur ya ka substation 132 kV kaban la hak ban pynbiang boarding kabala ban syanya bha hak district hadien bakalaya kendu ya kajing kabala slam bha hak baya day bat ka boarding. Ngas ngongo ya katanat bat menteri rangba ki bas ngotu ya ka nika kam but shen ngin shna yang ning substation 132 kV laong commissioner and secretary. Hakabaya day but kabay boarding ni bill light kibadang sateng goyal ulaong baka jinglom ya kibil na kijing pendan kam kalong kabae. Henry katanat kadang tray ban penbha ya karukam lung khajina but kelawan ra ay kirukam siu online kuntup link baga Google Pay. Ula kentui kinong thang boarding ban siu biang por kibil jongki daka bapen kesan baka jing siu hakapor kalong kebadan kambha ban biang ya kajing jing syakri. Goyal ulapun bena baka tenat kadang kami benya ya ka skim hakabaya day baka jing slam ban siu. Katenat kan sedang ru ya ka skim kabatamai kebadan kajing mentoy kinong thang boarding.
I mean, shortage will not be, I believe, the right word. Of course, Ri Bhoi has an issue wherein and it is very well known that the availability of the power in terms of reliable supply sometimes is an issue. And if you talk about Nongpo town itself, Nongpo town is being fed from our Umyam area only. It's a long line of almost 40 kilometers. So there are certain breakdowns in those lines at some point of time. So that is the reason I think all of us are aware that we have sanctioned 132 kV substation, which will lead to a very highly reliable power supply in the state, in the district, after a long gap of this problem which is there. And I'm thankful that the department and the Honorable Chief Minister has understood the issue, and we will be soon going to construct this 132 kV substation there. So that has always been a challenge with all the distribution companies in the state, in the country, and I think we are no different in this regard. And collection of the energy bills from the consumers always remain a challenge, and we are working out all kinds of issues and possibilities. We have come up with a scheme. We are coming up with a scheme wherein if people are paying regularly through online mode, we are planning to incentivize them. We are we have made our online payments platform available with all kinds of the players in the country. Google Pay, GPay, BillDesk, all kinds of online transactions, they all are available. Still, I believe our collections are not to the extent that we should get, and I will urge upon the consumers that we are a commercial organization, and until we earn at least the energy part of it, it's very difficult to maintain the efficient supply stream. And things are improving. Our collection efficiency has gone up in comparison to the last few years, and I'm sure in the days to come this is further going to improve. See, I would like to highlight one thing, that number one, as far as the power availability is concerned, there is no shortage of the power in the state. So there is no scheduled load shedding, which we have been now adhering to almost now 2 years. Whatever power cuts or disruptions which you are talking about in certain specific areas, the most likely reasons which we have analyzed in last 1 year or so are basically the interruption happen during the rains, when there is a felling of tree or tree branches which uproot our hose or they snap our conductors. That is one reason which we have come across, and that happens very frequently because of the thick vegetation which we have in this state. Apart from that, there are some scheduled shutdowns which we take for the upgradation of the infrastructure. That is happening in a big way in the state, and I have informed earlier also that we are taking up upgradation of our lines. We are taking the upgradation of replacement of the rusted poles and all. We are taking the upgradation of the transformers. So once we do that, in fact, in many of the cases, we are replacing the open conductor with the covered conductors so that we have more reliable power supply in various areas. So for these, we require the shutdowns. We are implementing various new substations for which charging purposes and all, we need to take the shutdowns. So I will through you request our esteemed consumers that kindly bear with us. This is for the benefit of a proper supply, a reliable supply to our consumers, and I think the impact of this will be visible very soon when these kinds of disruptions will be reduced to minimum. See, for the bigger shutdowns, we take out the notices in the newspaper, wherein a larger area is impacted. And for the smaller areas, of course, we have our Twitter handle through which we inform the people. Now we are in the process of upgrading the mobile phones of our consumers, and based on that, we will try to send the individual SMSs also, keeping the areas where this shutdowns or the planned interventions are required. Yeah, as I mentioned, we are comfortable. We are handling our energy management portfolio quite professionally, and that is the way that we are not we are not adhering to any scheduled load shedding. And the lean season, the winters, the festive season, the Christmas, and up till maybe next March or April, when we expect the next round of rains, we have already tied up with in case of power availability, and I don't see any problem there.
But there won't be any power.
Not at all.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.